In this video, I'll be going over how to find the area of a triangle. The formula that we have is base times height over 2. So we're gonna use this formula for all the 3 examples below. For the first one, in green, we have to first identify which is the base, which is the height. So from the green triangle, the base is 6 feet. The height is 4 feet. Now that we know that 6 feet is the base and 4 feet is the height, so it would be 6 foot times 4 foot over 2. And that gives us 24 feet square over 2. One thing to know is that you need to put square here because you're multiplying 6 foot by 4 foot. So that becomes 24 feet square because there's a total of 2 of them. And after you divide them, 24 divided by 2, you get 12 feet square. And that's the answer for this triangle. Now what about the blue triangle here? Which is the base and which is the height? For a triangle, this here is the base, and this here is the height. The height is always going to be perpendicular. It's a straight line at 90 degrees from the ground up. So in this case, we would just take 5 foot times 6 foot divided by 2. And then 5 times 6 is 30, so we have 30 feet square over 2. And that gives us 15 feet square. So that's the answer for the blue triangle. Now the third example is the red triangle. From this example, the base is 5 foot and the height is 8 foot. Noticing that the distance has to be from the top of the triangle perpendicular and exactly 90 degrees off the ground. So we're taking this as the height and not this one here. So be very careful about the right height that you use to calculate the area of a triangle. So now that we have the base and the height, we're going to take 5 foot times 8 foot over 2. And that will give us 40 feet square over 2. And that ultimately becomes 20 feet square. So that would be the answer for the red triangle. So these 3 examples are how you will find area of a triangle. Hope this has been helpful, and thank you for watching.